Well, our main brand that we're focusing our marketing and our education on is Trane. Everybody's heard the term "can't stop a Trane." Well, Trane has a fantastic line of air conditioners, ductless units, heat pumps, and furnaces, and it's consistently at the top of the Google rankings when you investigate these things online. It's consistently at the top. Fantastic. There are many different units designed for your price category and efficiency levels. So I talked briefly before on ductless units. So Trane has a fantastic ductless heat pump, which I installed one unit at my own house, and so I have testimonial for it. But it's up to 38 SEER for air conditioning and 15 HSPF for heating rating. It works fantastic. I mean, other units that we're promoting are the XR13 for cost conscious. That's the basic air conditioning, basic efficiency at 13 SEER. And then the SEER rating or the efficiency rating goes all the way up to 20 SEER. They have modulating air conditioning and two-stage air conditioning, which is traditionally much more expensive than anybody wants to get into in this area. But again, they also market in Texas and downtown Toronto, where that efficiency level and that quality is more important. So we've got price points for the economy minded. We've got price points for those who want more efficiency and higher quality. Check out our interactive link on our website for the Trane products, where you can investigate all the different products that Trane has to offer. Heating and air conditioning and heat pumps. And they've even got a line of home security devices that are available.